The van's fitted with a 12-volt fridge which is powered by the solar panels. To use the fridge, you simply lift up on the silver flap here and open the door. If you need to switch it on or off, you can do so using the power control here, pressing the power button and holding it until the lights come on. You can control the temperature of the fridge, indicated by the blue dials here. Just by pressing the temperature button will make it colder or cooler. You also have a freezer compartment within the van, which you can remove as well, simply by pulling it out.